Hi, St. Louis. Dan Loggins here, Platform Director for the Napleton Automotive Group. And in today's Napleton Minute, it's all about Love Your Car Month at all 6 of our locations. We want to say thank you to our customers and remind you to always love your car. Come in and see us this month at any of our locations for a complimentary multi-point inspection, tire rotation, battery test, and we'll even top off all your fluids. Whether you drive a vehicle you've recently purchased, an older vehicle that needs a little love, or looking for a new car to love, Napleton invites you to any of our 6 convenient locations in Hazelwood, St. Charles, and St. Louis, so we can help you love your car. Visit us online at napletonstl.com to schedule your next service with us and show your car some real love, or let one of our dealerships help you get into that car that you'll love again. My name is Dan Loggins, and this has been the Napleton Minute.
Napleton, second to none since 1931.